In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export and download contacts from Odoo CRM step by step. This is perfect if you need a backup of your customer data, want to move contacts to another system, or simply analyze your CRM information in a spreadsheet. We'll go through the exact process inside Odoo, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export your contacts quickly and safely. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Odoo and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Odoo Home dashboard. This is where all your installed apps are displayed. From here, you want to locate and click on the Contacts app. This app is where Odoo stores all your leads, customers, vendors, and company contact records. Clicking on Contacts will take you to the main Contacts list view. Now that you're inside the Contacts section, you'll see a list of all the contacts available in your Odoo CRM. At this stage, you need to decide whether you want to export all contacts or only specific ones. If you want to export all contacts, you don't need to select anything individually. If you only want certain contacts, you can click the small checkbox next to each contact you want to include. You can also use filters and search options at the top to narrow down the list before exporting. Once you're happy with your selection, look toward the top menu area and click on the Actions button. This button opens a drop-down menu with several bulk options you can apply to your selected contacts. From the Actions drop-down, click on Export. This will open the Export configuration window. In the Export window, you can choose exactly what data fields you want to download. On the left side, you'll see available fields such as name, email, phone number, company, address, and many more. You can add fields by clicking on them or remove fields you don't need. This is especially useful if you want to clean export with only essential information. You can also choose the export format, usually CSV or Excel compatible formats depending on your Odoo version. Once you've selected all the fields you need, click the Export button to start the download. Odoo will then generate the file and automatically download it to your computer. After the download finishes, you can open the file using Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet software to view and manage your contacts. And that's it. You've successfully exported and downloaded your contacts from Odoo CRM. This method works great for reporting, backups, or migrating data to another platform. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.